জয় বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে, বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে।
Joy Jai Shri Radhe everyone. This is the 46th verse of Shri Shri Prem Bhakti Chandrika by Shri Narottam Das Thakur Mahasaya. Translation based on the commentaries by Shri Vishwanath Chakraborty Padu and Shri Ananta Das Babaji Maharaj. Shri Mukho Sundaro Baro Hemo Nilo Kanti Dharo ভাব ভূষণ করু শোভা নীলপিত বসধর গৌরী শ্যাম মনোহর অন্তরের ভাবে দুহু লোভা। Translation. Their exquisitely beautiful faces that carry a golden and blue luster are beautified by ornaments of ecstatic love. Their complexions are golden and blue, and their garments are blue and golden, showing that they carry love for each other in their hearts and that they are yearning for each other. Joy Joy Shri Radhe.
জয় রাধে